Hi, my name is BREGJE and you are watching Estona tutorials. And if you are watching this video, you are not currently on my subscriber feed, so you can watch a part of this video, but if you want to get the full experience, then please hop on over to Patreon and you can find me at patreon.com/Estona_tutorials. I hope I'll see you there. I am going to make another set of jump rings, a very small one this time. So I'm taking the end of my pliers and I'm just wrapping around this piece of gold. And again, it's a 1 millimeter wire. And that's it. And again, I'm cutting from the inside out, because I find that this works best for me. But of course, choose whatever works for you. I want to add a moving part to my earrings because I think it will look nice. And I was contemplating whether it should be a round shape or a rectangular shape. And I am going for 2 round shapes because I think that will complement my earrings most. So I'm scribing a little round shape. I'm just checking to see if this will fit my earring, and I think this is perfect. All my other soldering joints are pretty far away, so this is going to be an easy one. I coated my earring with boraxine, or at least the part that I want to solder. I'm picking up some medium solder with my soldering pick. And as long as I keep my flame on the top part, I should be fine here. I'm adding the solder. And you can see exactly where my flame is going and how I'm heating it up. I'm helping it out a bit with my soldering pick. And we can watch the solder melt. I pickled my earrings and I gave them a quick polish on my polishing machine just to see how everything looks together. And I think this is going to be a very nice set of earrings. And here we are, 24 hours later. The glue has hardened and we are left with 2 gorgeous earrings. And this is how you set a pearl onto an earring or even a ring.